What's up, everybody? I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today I'm going to be reviewing this dip powder kit from AZUREBEAUTY. You can find AZUREBEAUTY on Amazon. They have a lot of color options and the prices are really reasonable. Just to start off, I love this packaging. I love that it comes in this little like Ziploc baggie, just so that it's easy to put away and store somewhere. It also comes with this instruction guide, and they also have a service card, which is awesome, so that you can contact them if you have any issues, or if you just want to send them a message, you can email them directly instead of just trying to go through Amazon. The kit comes with the base coat, activator, gel top coat, and this is about the size of the bottle, about the size of my pinky. My fingers are long. Nail file, and it comes with extra brushes because after a while they do get hard, and then this big brush to dust off the powder. Then this little box comes with 4 of the dip powders, and I don't think you can see the colors here, but it's a pink set. So one is like really light pink, this shimmery pink, little bit of a darker pink, and a white. So this is a really good beginner kit. And the transparent slash clear, which is always one of my favorites. So you want to start off by filing your nails. Mine's are kind of broken, so I'll just file them to get them even as possible, and then buff them so that I remove all the shine off of my nail, and then dehydrate them. And then you start off with the base coat, dip at a 45-degree angle, tap tap tap, and then wait about 30 seconds, and then brush off the excess. And then I'm going to repeat that step 2 more times to this nail. Then I'm going to repeat the same steps with this glitter pink dip powder, which I really like. I think the glitters always come out really well, and so I like to dip them. Sometimes I only do 2 coats. It depends on how it looks, but you kind of have to look at it and see if it's really thick, then you might not need the 3rd coat, but I like to do the 3rd coat because I like it really thick. For my ring fingernail, I'm going to try to do kind of like a curved tip. I'm going to use this tape that I have that you use for like French manicures, and this one is curved a little, which I like. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the base coat and then dip it in this white. And I'm going to do this 2 times, and then I'm also going to go over it with the transparent dip just so that it covers the whole entire nail. Okay, so once you dipped all your nails in the powder, use the activator. I like to activate twice just to make sure. I activate once and then I wait about a minute, and then I put some more activator just to make sure that the powder isn't going to lift when I file it. You can use this file or you can use an e-file, but you know, as long as you activate it and the powder is nice and stiff, then you can file it. And as you see here, this nail was like really bumpy, so I just wanted to make sure I got it as smooth as possible. Then dust everything off, and then for the last step is the top coat. I like to use 2 top coats just to make sure it's secure, and then you can see it's nice and shiny. And of course, rhinestones are optional, and if you stay tuned to the end, I'll show you the result after 2 weeks. This is the finished look. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and go ahead and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed watching it. That helps share it all around YouTube. And And this is what my nails looked like after a little over 2 weeks. I just wanted to make sure that this dip was really strong and really good quality. And as you could see, only one chip on my thumb. And I wash a lot of dishes. Like I be scrubbing pots and scrubbing my head when I wash my hair, and it's done pretty well, so I'm happy about that. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I appreciate you for watching. Share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.